Welcome to Cobwebs and Cords, a place to explore new and old. Today, we are going to unbox the Gourmia Tea Square. I adore tea and I love technology, so I'm super excited to see if this machine is able to win me over. Let's check it out. First, let's look at the box. They call this 4-Cup Tea Square a personal craft tea and coffee brewer. So they are claiming to be able to make coffee as well. Very interesting. Attention loose leaf tea lovers, toss those tea bags. You can now experience a cup of fresh loose leaf tea as it was meant to be anytime, anywhere, thanks to Gourmia's remarkable Tea Square, personal craft tea and coffee brewer. Because it automates every step of the normally painstakingly loose leaf tea crafting process. Well, I didn't really feel that it's, okay, we'll see. Look, I'm just gonna let that go. Remarkably rich, seriously satisfying cup of tea as easily as pressing a button. Simply fill its built-in 4-cup 800 milliliter tank with water, add your favorite loose leaf tea or blend to its precision machined brew basket. Turn it on so it can begin boiling the water to its optimal temperature. Select which of the 4 modes will best bring out the tea's full bouquet, and let its calibrated IT boil to brew technology take over and present you with the kind of tea that once took generations of experience. I'm gonna have to taste that to believe it. Plus, the Tea Square is fully portable, so you can now BYOT instead of ruining a great meal or evening out with a mediocre cup of tea. Okay, seriously? Hi, thank you for inviting me to dinner. You pour crappy tea, so I've brought my own machine. Oh dear. If a great cup of tea is your cup of tea, welcome to the Tea Square. All right, let's get into this. Right off, we have, looks like a bit of a manual. Looks like has some neat things in it. There you go. We got some styrofoam. This must be the stainless steel little basket. It actually looks extremely fine. Oh. Oh, it's horrible noises. Suction cups to the bottom. Okay. Tape keeping all these glass bits in for shipping, which I guess is great. Up we have the carafe, so it's a glass carafe. It feels a little bit thicker than what I actually thought it was going to. It does feel a little bit sturdier. Here we have, this part here is plastic. Looks like this is where it would disperse the tea. Stainless steel at the bottom. I believe this is glass as well. And I think this is where this little guy goes. This is all plastic. It's plastic up here as well. The suction cups are actually really nice. I wasn't expecting that. The part where you'd pour the water in. It's an off-white color, which is a little shocking when you first see it. It's kind of like a little bit yellowy. And it does have a maximum line. It has a steam here, so your caution steam. Now the buttons are a flat device. They don't feel like buttons, like they don't feel any different than the piece of plastic. Turn this on to see what it looks like. Okay, no, we can't. That is the smallest cord I've ever seen. This is it. That's it. So it's like that. I don't think I would be taking this anywheres with me, like to a friend's house. It has this little button at the bottom, which I would believe would be the indicator to show if the carafe is actually there or not. It's supposed to be safe that way, that it wouldn't dispense tea without a carafe actually there. So that's nice. I would like to see the fit a little bit better, like a little bit more secure. I'd like to also see things not rattling, but I guess on a kitchen counter maybe you wouldn't be experiencing that. I'm actually not disappointed with this so far. But I mean, that's just out of the box, so it's going to be very interesting to see how it actually brews a cup of tea. If you'd like to see how this machine brews a cup of tea as well as a cup of coffee, watch my other video for a complete review of this square tea machine. This machine actually comes in 2 different colors. The black one that we have here, and it also comes in a brown looking faux wood, I guess. And it's just on the outside. Both of them are white. I'd love to know what you think of the design of this unit, so please leave me a comment below. If you liked this video, please like it. And if you'd like to see more from Cobwebs and Cords, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, take care. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, it's very sticky.